This video shows you how to use the air conditioner and the heater. First of all, the remote control must be linked to the heater or to the fan coil. Press this to on for on and off. Then mode, in order to change the mode of function. That means now it is on, you see here, heater. Then you can change mode, and now the mode is, you see here, is air conditioned. And then you have also, you can change mode again, the dehumidifier. That is very interesting for the night because it is very healthy. Then you can change and set the temperature, okay? And you can follow also my indication of temperature and the indication and suggestion of Italian law. And then you have also the fan control, so the speed of the fan coiler. Have a nice day, bye bye. Also, and this for to turn off it.